there, this is Elisa with WTI. These kitchen towels are high quality and they are super absorbent. I personally love using them to dry my dishes, and I really appreciate that this has low lint. They dry them super fast and they don't scratch them since the material is super soft and gentle. Not only do I dry my dishes with it, I also love cleaning my countertops. Again, this is super absorbent, so it makes it so much easier for me to clean. I not only have these in my kitchen, but I also love using them in the bathroom. This is also a great option if you want to use them to dry your hands. I love everything about these kitchen towels that I use them for every place in my house. They come in a variety of beautiful colors. Not only will this go great with your decoration, but they are also super functional. With that being said, I highly recommend these kitchen cloths, but that's just my point of view.